How to change app icons on iPhone. Firstly, what you have to do is download Pictures to set as app icon. For that, open any of the browser. Now you can search for the pictures that you want to set as app icon. Firstly, type in the name of the app and then add icons and search for it. Now click on this images option. With that, you're gonna get tons of options of app icon pictures. You can just download these. All you have to do is long press on it. Tap on the option Save to Photos. After you download the pictures of the app icon, you can just close this. Now open your Shortcuts app. If you cannot find Shortcuts app in your device, you can get this app easily from the App Store. After you download this app, open it. Now at the top right corner, you can find plus icon, tap on it. Tap on this option of Add Action. Tap on the option Scripting. Tap on the option Open App. Tap on this option of App. Now from here you have to select the app in which you want to change the app icon. Here I'm gonna select Messenger. After you select the app, at the bottom you can find this eye icon, tap on it. Tap on the option Add to Home Screen. Now from here you can easily change the app icon. Tap over here. With that you will get different options. You can select the option of Choose Photo. Your gallery will open up. Now from here you can select the picture that you have just downloaded. I have choose this one. After you choose it, now you can give a name. After you are done, tap on the option of Add given at the top right corner. Now in your home screen, you can see that app has appeared with the new app icon. So this is how you can easily change app icons on iPhone. You can apply the same process and change app icon for other apps as well. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.